All right, so this video is just a placeholder because I would never do a tutorial if I didn't see the end product. And so we are recording this ahead of time so that we have an empty slot in our playlist. And once we finished video 599, we'll put a preview of what's to come video in this slot right here in video 501. So this is a placeholder slot because I think it's just going to be better that way. So if you are interested in this code, you just stumbled upon this and wonder what the hell's going on, we have these 3 different playlists here for the code, and we have a technical demo playlist here. We have a 10-minute per video playlist here. We got a 1-minute per video playlist right here. And the source code for the current snapshot is right here. But this is just a placeholder video, so we didn't really add any meaningful source code here. So what are we working on? Well, we are working on recreating this side-scroller Bomberman game as a MMO. And we're rewriting the engine from complete scratch. So if you're interested in how one writes a rendering engine for an MMO from complete scratch, then you should definitely like and subscribe. Other than that, like I said, this is a placeholder video. It will be replaced eventually with a different video 501, but that's only going to happen after we've gotten to video 599. That way, if you're not certain whether or not to follow along with me, because you're like, I don't know if this person knows what the fuck they're talking about. Well, once I get to video 599, I'll film like a summary video, kind of showing what we did in the past 99 videos, and then you can decide whether or not you want to follow along. So, like, subscribe, send money in the mail. I am Kanji Coder.